Hey everyone, we have a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty here, and this one is Smiling Sloth. So this is a sparkle putty. It's the 3.2 ounce size. Got a nice little sloth here chilling on the front, and a little illustration of the putty as well. We got the back, got the sloth there again. He's checking us out. Let's give this one an open here and take a look. Wow, look at that. Man, so much different color in there. So much sparkle too. Getting like light brown, gold, dark brown, black. Man, really, really nice. So let's get this out of the tin. We'll take a quicker, or closer look, I should say, at this putty. Okay. There it is, Smiling Sloth. So just a really beautiful putty. Has the sparkles in here are actually these kind of longer pieces. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but they're kind of like these almost hair-like pieces. So they're not like little tiny specks. They're kind of like, little pieces. Oh, here, you can see a little bit better if I stretch it out. They're like little long pieces of putty, and it's really pretty. It's really appealing. I have a couple other putties that have this same type of glitter, and I am a fan of it. It does look really nice. But man, this one is really sparkly here. Really nice putty overall. I would say the texture is probably about medium. The putties vary from soft to firm. And this one, it's a nice medium texture, which is usually my favorite, just because it's nice for stretching, it's nice for shaping, bouncing, rolling, making bubbles, crackling, a variety of things. Get a couple crackles out of it there. Always fun to squeeze it a little bit. But man, that's just a really pretty putty, honestly. And I wonder, what kind of glitter colors do we have in here? What do I see? I think there is some softer, or not softer, but smaller glitter pieces in there as well. Yeah, there are some. So there's the long glitter pieces and also the smaller ones. I mean, primarily I'm seeing gold glitter and silver. Gold and silver. Is there black? Is that a black piece? It's hard to say. There might be some that are kind of almost like black even. But, these putties, like the sparkles, sometimes you might say, oh, well, it doesn't do really anything else. It doesn't change colors. It doesn't have a nice smell. Like their scented putties, it doesn't glow in the dark. But really, sometimes just the sparkle element of it makes it well worth it enough, and that is definitely the case here with this one. I mean, that is just really beautiful. It has a great texture, great feel. Love it. But that is the Smiling Sloth Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, I definitely would appreciate a like on the video, and subscribe for more videos in the future. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.